Wake up, Jarvis.
Good evening, sir. I am Jarvis. How may I help you?
Hello, Jarvis.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I am fine, Jarvis.
Good to hear that, sir. What next I can do for you, sir?
Jarvis, tell me the temperature outside.
The temperature outside is 27 degrees Celsius. Do I have to tell you another place temperature? Say yes or no.
No, Jarvis.
No problem, sir.
Jarvis, tell me about Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Searching. I found that Mahendra Singh Dhoni, pronunciation born July 7, 1981, is a former Indian international cricketer who captained the Indian national team in limited overs formats from 2007 to 2017 and in Test cricket from 2008 to 2014.
Where we are now, Jarvis?
Wait, sir, let me check. Sir, maybe we are in Patna of India country.
Jarvis, where is Taj Mahal?
The Taj Mahal lit. Crown of the palace, Taj M.L. Originally the Raza-i Munawwara is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra.
Repeat that. Your name is Ishan.
Your name is Ishan.
Jarvis, start translator.
Tell me the line.
आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है.
Today the weather is very good.
Jarvis, start translator.
Tell me the line.
मुझे स्कूल जाना है.
I want to go to school.
Tell me a joke, Jarvis.
If you play a Windows CD backwards, you'll hear satanic chanting. Worse still, if you play it forwards, it installs Windows.
Jarvis, what is electric current?
An electric current is a stream of charged particles, such as electrons or ions, moving through an electrical conductor or space.
How plants do photosynthesis?
C for carbon fixation or the hatch. Slack pathway is one of 3 known photosynthetic processes of carbon fixation in plants.
Jarvis, play music.
What song you want me to play, sir?
Lagdi Lahore Diya song by Guru Randhawa.
Playing Glagdi Lahore Diya song by Guru Randhawa.
ਜਿਉਂਦਾ ਰਹੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਪੁੱਤ ਰੱਬ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਰੀਆਂ ਵਰਗੀ ਹੋਟੀ ਮਿਲੇ ਅੱਛਾ ਮੰਮੀ ਜੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਸੱਚ ਪਰੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਯਾਦ ਆਇਆ
Jarvis, open new tab. Close the tab, Jarvis. Okay. Jarvis, close Google.
Okay, sir, wait a second. Your command has been successfully completed.
Thanks, Jarvis.
You're most welcome, sir.
Okay, you need a break, Jarvis.
Okay, sir, you can call me anytime.